Unraveling the meaning of paved road. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, paved road. Whether you've come across this phrase in a book, heard it in a conversation, or stumbled upon it while studying English, understanding its meaning is important for both language development and practical usage. So let's hit the road to discovery together. A paved road is a type of road that has been covered with a hard, smooth surface. Paved comes from the word pave, which means to cover a piece of ground with concrete, asphalt, stones, or bricks to make a firm, level surface suitable for travel. This is the opposite of an unpaved road, which might be just dirt or gravel. Paved roads are crucial for modern transportation. They facilitate smoother and faster travel and are associated with various benefits. For instance, they can improve the efficiency of trade and travel and often indicate a country's economic development level. In addition, they are easier to maintain in various weather conditions, making travel more predictable and safe. Apart from its literal meaning, paved road can also have a symbolic meaning. It can represent ease and progress in a journey or task. When someone says, "It's all a paved road from here," they mean that the remaining part of the journey, project, or process will be smooth and easy, with no expected difficulties. Now, let's look at how to use this phrase in different sentences to get a better practical understanding. After years of construction, the town finally has a paved road connecting it to the city. The government's investment into infrastructure has increased the number of paved roads across the country. I hope it's a paved road ahead for you in your new job. Using the phrase in different contexts helps to solidify your understanding and enhance your ability to use it naturally when speaking or writing in English. I hope this video helps illuminate the meaning of paved road for you. Whether literal or metaphorical, this phrase can add depth to your conversations and writing. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and luckily, on this learning journey, we're on a paved road together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and keep learning.